Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm happy to announce the big winner of the Happy Model Mobula6 giveaway, which I've announced last month and is kindly sponsored by Banggood. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you had to do is to subscribe to my channel, leave a single comment on the giveaway video, and preferably also turn on the notifications bell so in case you're the winner, you're not going to miss out. In order to randomly select the winner, I'm going to use the YouTube Random Comment Picker tool. And by the way, some of you decided to make it harder for me and opened multiple accounts in order to participate in the giveaway, so I had to review all the comments and make sure to delete all the fake accounts. Now I'm going to pick two winners. The first one is the big winner who's going to get the Mobula6, but in case the big winner is not going to show up by the end of this month, the runner-up, which I'm going to pick next, is going to get their prize instead. So without further ado, let's get the YouTube comments last time. The total amount of unique commenters was 459, and the big winner who won the Mobula6 is Eyal Malkovich, who commented Happy Chinese New Year. So congratulations Eyal, you just got yourself the Mobula6. And actually I know that Eyal is subscribed to my channel because I've seen his comments a lot. He's a great supporter, so thanks Eyal for all of your support. Let's just make sure that Eyal is subscribed, although I know he is. And there you go. And in case Eyal is not going to show up, which actually I really doubt will happen, let's pick another winner. And the runner-up who's going to get the Mobula6 in case Eyal is not going to show up is Hani Al-Otaibi, who commented, "Thank you for this video. I love the way you are always one of the first channels to announce great products. Your videos are short, easy to follow, and your way of explaining is amazing. Thank you again." Thanks a lot, Hani. I really appreciate it. Let's just make sure that Hani is subscribed to my channel. And there you go. So Hani is the runner-up. I'm going to leave my email address in the description box of this video. So Eyal and Hani, please both of you contact me and I will get you sorted. The Mobula6 is going to be directly sent to you by Banggood, and you'll have to be patient since the horrible coronavirus is taking life and also slows everything down. I would like to thank Banggood for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course all of you, my subscribers, for your continued support. I wish you all happy flying, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.